Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can remove virus from your computer, PC or laptop, doesn't really matter. Now you could use a third-party virus software such as Norton, something with I forgot the name, Kaspersky. There's a lot of antivirus softwares that you can use, but in my opinion the one that works the best for me is Windows Security. Now over the years, Windows Security has become a really good secure antivirus software that comes built in with your Windows and does not require additional hardware to run on. So if there is a virus on your computer and you don't know where that virus is, go over to scan option and you want to do a full scan. Now full scan is going to take longer, and by that means it can even take longer than an hour depending on how much you have. So just go over to full scan and then you want to press on scan now, and if there is a virus over here, it's going to be on protection. It's going to automatically ask you what do you want to do with the virus. Do you want to remove it, keep it, allow it? And then basically that's where you can choose to remove the virus and basically protect your computer. If I go over to my protection history, as you can see, on potential virus, that's in IDM. Now IDM is not really a virus, but I'm just gonna allow it on my, well, honestly I'm not gonna do anything. Then we've got another one, this is MOS as well as IDM. So these don't they really detect almost everything, and it's just a very good software that's automatically on your PC, on your Windows. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.